Yeah, what's up, y'all? Riding the recon today. So, yeah, let's get into it. The weather's actually quite nice. Not me using like really proper English. I said English after trying to say that. English. Oh, dang it, I left my cup outside last night. I'll have to get it on that way back. Oh, that recon is dirty. Forgot Alien didn't wash it after getting stuck yesterday. Change of plans. I wanted to ride this anyways. I was kind of hoping it wouldn't be here. I know I try not to make a 420 video more than 2 days in a row, but that's exactly what we're doing. I wanted to go to this pond, or we're not pond, little water hole right over here anyways, because Alien dug it out like crazy yesterday because she got stuck in it twice. That's why her four-wheeler's so muddy. Trying to get it out of there. She was stuck, which kind of sucked. Well, I didn't even winch on. I just got in the water, picked the back of the four-wheeler up and moved it and pushed it out of the mud. All the tires continued to spin a bunch. Make sure my oil cap's on good, because I know this is about to be over the floorboards, because that land dug it out like I said. On hers right here, it was up to the exhaust after she got stuck in it. She got stuck back there and then stuck up here too, couldn't even get out. But luckily the 420 happens to be a beast and just walks through stuff like that on a daily basis. So we're gonna go back to it, because why not? Oh my lord. Absolutely just powered through that like it was nothing. Deuce made it out to us. I was planning on riding the recon, that's why I didn't let him out. Oh, and so is Lizzie. Come on, Deuce. Let up. I just see Lizzie coming out here too. Let up. Come on. I don't know who the dodgy fellow was that let them out. So now we have to deal with Lizzie too. And watch her. I'm gonna get Lizzie on the back so she'll stay on here. Come on. Ow. Just cut me while you get on. Come on. Get on the back. Alright, yes, just lay down. That works too. And Deuce is just pooping. So, I know you're not very experienced. Deuce, you wanna get on? Come on. Turn this thing into the dog bus now. Lizzie, I know you're not very experienced with riding the four-wheeler. So, this is new to you, but we'll be alright. I was seeing if Daddy was in the yard with him, but I don't think so. I think they just let him out to go to the bathroom. Alright. So this is where you really need to stay on the four-wheeler. Stay. The reason I'm not like hitting the gas hard is because I don't want to throw Lizzie off. She really don't ride on the four-wheeler much. This is like our 4th time ever. And every other time I've eased on the gas up. Man, there she goes. Lizzie, here! Come here! Come on! Load up! Come on! You gotta stay on. Ow! Cut me again, dang. You got sharp claws. Deuce, you wanna get on? Come on. Come on. Deuce. Deuce is getting water. Come here, Deuce. Come on. Come on, Deuce. Hey, Deuce. Come on. Load up on the party bus. Load up. Come on. Load up. Lizzie, you slide over. Load up. Come on. Load up. Load up, Deuce. Lizzie, you have plenty of room. Slide over. No, come on. Alright, Deuce, load up. Come on. Deuce, come here. Load up. Deuce, like, she's in my spot. Come on, load up. Yeah, that works. Ah! Alright, well, I guess I'm gonna have to stand up now. I don't like Deuce being on my seat and his all being on the plastic, but it'll be alright. Stay. Deuce better not poke another hole in my seat. He did it one time when he jumped on there for some reason, and I'm still kind of mad about that little hole in the seat, but it'll be alright. Alright, we're just gonna ease through the field right here. He should be fine as long as you don't like jump off the seat. Alright, we're gonna speed up a little bit. Only a little bit because it's kind of bumpy right here. Lizzie stays on here better than Deuce does. She could care less about chasing stuff. She just likes to ride. Look at her. Man, Deuce, look at him just chilling. Y'all hold on. We're like the school bus, but instead of taking kids to school, we just ride dogs around. almost back at our destination. Look at all the birds. Well, y'all, peace out. I'll see y'all in the next video. Hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, leave a like and subscribe.